What's up, y'all? This is Ask an Attorney. I'm Kyle. I'm not an attorney. But we have a question from a contractor who asked, is it possible to file a mechanics lien if the property has been sold? Which sounds complicated to me. So I got Matt Viator, an attorney and a construction payment expert on Zoom to help us answer this question. Matt, what you got? If the property has been sold and you haven't been paid, can you still file a lien?
So typically the answer is going to be yes. Mechanics liens tie to the property itself, not to an individual owner. So yes, it may be possible to file a mechanics lien even if the property has been sold before your lien gets filed. With that said, the rules are going to be different in every state. Unfortunately, you can't give a clean yes or no answer that applies for everything. But typically, the answer will be yes, that the lien right ties to the property, and therefore it may be liened after a sale. With that said, the sale will complicate things. Even if it is technically allowable to file the lien after the sale, it's going to create a longer recovery process. This new owner is probably not going to know what the heck you're talking about. And so whenever you know that the property might be sold during the construction project or shortly after a construction project, typically you're going to want to start that lien filing process before the sale. That's for a couple of different reasons. For one, you know the party that you're working with. It should shorten the process that way. But on top of that, any prospective purchaser, they're going to have to be made aware of the lien claim. The seller is going to have to tell the buyer, hey, there's a lien on this property. On top of that, the mortgage company and the title company that are looking at the property and evaluating the sale, if they see a new lien filed on that property, they're going to want that cleared up before the property gets sold, so that can slow down or even halt the sale process and create a lot of leverage to make sure that you get paid. So if you know that a sale is imminent or know that there's plans to sell the property shortly, it may be a good idea to start that lien filing process beforehand.
Matt, thank you so much. Once again, it seems like staying on top of lien rights is the best tool contractors have if they're struggling to get paid, especially those deadlines. You got to stay on top of those. If you're in this situation or you just want to dig deeper, we've got the long answer from Matt right below here. And make sure you're following us for more expert answers to complicated questions that contractors face every day. And if you've got a question, drop it in the comments. We want to hear it.